Is your HP printer showing offline and not connecting to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it in just a few minutes. Welcome to PrintSmart Help, your go-to channel for quick and easy printer solutions. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. If your computer is unable to detect your HP printer over a Wi-Fi network connection, follow these simple steps to fix the issue. After each step, try to print again. Step 1. Restart your devices. Close all apps and programs and restart your PC. Turn off your printer and unplug the power cord from the printer and power source. Wait 60 seconds, then reconnect the power cord and turn on the printer. Step 2. Reset printer network settings. On the control panel, tap Menu. Scroll to and tap Settings. Tap Network. Scroll to Restore Network Settings and tap Restore. Tap Yes. Tap OK. To reconnect, tap Wi-Fi. Tap Start. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the network password, then tap the Enter key. Tap Submit. Tap OK. The printer connects to the network. Step 3. Remove and re-add printer in HP Smart app. On the app home screen, right-click or long press the printer image and then select Hide Printer. Select Hide Printer again. To re-add the printer, select Add Printer or the plus icon. Follow the prompts to re-add the printer and connect to the network. Still facing issues? Don't worry, we're here to help. Call now 1-888-765-0492. Our experts at PrintSmart Help will fix your printer quickly. Thanks for watching PrintSmart Help. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your issue, subscribe for more printer fixes and tech guides. See you in the next video.